Hello everyone, my name is Bernard Rono, and in this tutorial, I'll be taking you through a tally program I created in Excel. This program is useful for anyone that is running for an elective seat in Kenya, that is MCA, MP, governor, senator, women rep, or even the president. This program will help the aspirant to be following up on the results from the polling stations before the official results are announced. So let me quickly take you through on how this program works. First, these details that are already on our screen, I got them from the latest Gazetted IBC polling stations, which was released, I think, last week or last week, part one. And in this case, the details that we are seeing on our screen are from the county that I come from, that is Bomet County, and we'll be using in this demo. Okay, so the first column has sub-counties, the second one ward, that one polling station, and the fourth one is for registered voters. These are the columns, that is candidate 1 to 3, valid votes, spoiled votes, turnout percentage are the one that I inserted after these details I got from the IBC. Okay. And now in this program, after every sub-county, before we go to another sub-county, we have the sum total here. That is for the registered voters, candidate 1 to 3, valid votes, spoiled votes, and turnout. That is in every sub-count, at the end of every sub-count. And in the far end, we have sum total of results for every candidate and the registered voters, percentage of the turnout, valid votes, and spoiled votes. And on the second page, we have these statistics. It's just a duplication of from the other page, that is for each candidate or from every sub-county, and sum total. That is the total results for every candidate. Now, on this other end, we have the ranking. That is when after entering all the results from every polling station, this program will automatically present us with the ranking results and then the ranking. Down here we have the status of reporting stations. That is, if we have received results from one polling station, it will capture here. It will bring us. It will tell us here that you have captured results from one station. That way, second, third, until we reach this number of polling stations. By the way, these are not the actual polling station in Bomet, but we treat this in this program as actual as polling station. There are some polling stations that has two streams. So in our program, it will translate as polling stations. So let's go to the first page. So whenever you receive results from a polling station, what you will do in this program, I have customized something here that will help you to capture the details from every ward, every every polling station. So what you will do after receiving, you just click this box here, and then because we cannot scroll until we find, it will be very tedious for us to scroll until we find the polling station that we are looking for. So what we will do is that we will click on this box and then click on criteria, and then you go to this box of polling station, and then now you type the name of the polling station that has given you the results. For instance, we have capture, and then after typing that the name of the polling station, you hit enter. So you see you are looking for capture, but this one is captiongo. So for you to get you need the capture polling station, you will hit, or you will just click next. Okay, now we have our station here, capture polling station. Now, after that, you enter the results. So I think from there you can follow me for. Let me just enter a few polling station from at least every sub count, and then we can continue discussing from there. So these are just random results. And then after entering the results, that is for the first candidate, the second candidate, the third candidate, and so forth. Lastly, you will have to enter the spoiled votes if there are any. And then after that, you hit enter. So we have captured our first result from capture polling station. Sorry. So here we can see the reporting stations is one. The results are this, and then the ranking is that way. Now let's go and capture more random results, so that it will be easier for us to analyze the statistics. So we have Kyogo. It is not a must that you enter the full name of the polling station. You can enter the first 3 characters or 4, then you hit enter. So you will get the program will just finish for you just complete for you the rest of the characters. So let's go ahead. And after you just capture the details of every polling station, you must close that box, and then you go for another box. So when you what you do is, after clicking the box, I know some of you are now following me, you click criteria, and then in that criteria, you this empty form will come, and then you click here in polling station, and then you type in the name of the polling station that you have the results. After doing that, you click enter to fill the rest of the details. Now you just key in your source. So I've captured a random results from different sub-counties and different polling stations. So we now have at the end of every sub-county we have this resource, this kind of resource. Okay, in every sub-county, at the end of every sub-county we have this resource. You see, the resource. Okay, have this. Okay. You have those. Okay, and these ones, and then in the last line we have the total result for every um, candidates, and these are the one we have split, and we have the percentage turnout. So in the next page we have this resource. It's a duplication of the other from the other page. So you have this resource and ranking. Now you see ranking. The one which is candidate 2 is the one that is leading in our case. That in the number 1, the first one is number 2, and the last one is the last one. And then here in the reporting station, we only have 10 stations. So this is because I picked at least two. I picked two polling station in every sub county. So 2 times 5 sub counties, that is 10. Now, at the end of it, after getting results from all the polling stations, you will have reporting station being 853 out of 853. That is, you will not have cases of some polling station not voting, maybe because of so many other things, so many other factors that we cannot discuss here now. So this is the simplest tallying program, and I hope some of you are now interested in getting one or creating one. Depends. So if you are unable to create one and you want you want to use maybe the one that I can create for you, matching your sub county, ward, county, or even the country. So I can customize the one to suit your interest. So if you want, if you want one, I can customize for you. So I want to type here my number. You can see, or let me just say it. My number is 0729 830 969. 0729 830 969. Thank you for watching. And for those who are interested in learning about Excel and not another maybe IT programs, you can subscribe to my YouTube. And if you also find this video interesting or educative, you can subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you.